kuble fi baro fitange pe ye ka kubor ke jong u maupor habangin ya che prang bat ka kubor chungin ye pe ye ki mat ki bakong san kumne kan chu UMDC ka maukrwat ban om perking than ye ki samlawat kam pulit ki bom pat ai tika covid pang hapo kha san kinta yo kurup ganja biang ki pulit jong ka borni hat riboy district ki kendon covid ki trekam tang ha ki yeng mane om ha ki program sarkar dawa UMDC mauhati banweng no shisendan bitar ting e UMDC ka mauhati bayo play stadium ka asam ha omla per dei bajem ka sarkar her ki helicopter panhap sentiu ha kapor ba play UCM ya ka district bachumai ha mairang pho bat shongkun ka shat nongkrem mentaus nem ha ka sien manengkong sakhi lang chief minister
Arunga soban banrap tu ya ke ikaba di Pak Charles MDC Jonggon Mahoti ibala wara ya kan ika jisukia halor Jonggon ika SOP ba kasokar kalau kami nak kapor sakapor hadu kan ika klimaru kabala kang bet tang ki yang meni ki balang mani obon tulong ki jingasang he bandom ki pai ngai nak tang nu ki jingasang warga nalor ko wiru kabang ngai ki SOP jongka government kolong ba ya kini ki ba deman ai vaksin mara buon ki khap tang ni idaw bompadon vaksin lahaban pun bor ki ban tesitas habaman bakilet do kam haki jaka sokar haki kam ki baki sokar khot ki but kai kabang ngai kolong ba kumba ngai ka jingjia po Guwahati Assam pa nakaliang disi jong kamrup lang bakala la penmi ya ka press release po ki media balong ba 30% ki bayo pangbeng mata ki ding baladap second dose baladap bor atli ki vaksin but kai ka bangamud balong kalong ba ka sarkar mi kala juniru kala di bon perhat kumalong menta tang nakadaw ke jing bompat yo bat ai vaksin ya kini kena balik ban mare pulit hana umsha badon kitu ki kena bapli kim tebe kimut le lakalit dalapoi sini sulong umsha su hapan mare ban le ta vaksin ro ka ding tuka ka vaksin ka ba hapan up asni lasni ya ka report tetum kini ki jingje ki ba ni susi ba nakalian do jong government kabakum yakini ki benta bagi kena ki late nam taban mare ki kampulet ro kim alat su ki tang nakaraw jong kajing bom tes lan ka jing bom biang ka vaksin but kalong ke pasusi hadu kata-kata ngila di ban sutho ban penjensur kendian kumai i ya kajing don jong ni kunyal kala hiar hadu kata-kata bana ngi software le bubon ki si jang man si la de 00 ba kini case along 0 ba te kumalong haslong ro lahia ba bat ngasubon amba banterpat ka sarkar ya police department kamde ban haras kamde ban let ben ki kena le mare kam pulit wat kam bli ban be ki le ban nom sai ki tang na kadaw jum jing bom don vaksin dan ka bom don ke tes corona kani ka jing kapat ka junga nakaleng junga ka sarkar ka police department bakade ban yarap kam tam makane kapor kini kena kibalik ya mare nam taban yo kampul ang sutho alar kata amar kata kin kadi kata ka SOP ka ba nakaleng junga sarkar ka impose hani pajba wadon kikap kum kine ni sutho ya jing bom kot ka jing sutho la se kum ginong kondong lani jing bom poi perkhalu bada poi stay rakam don ka kani ka tes ane ka vaksin kinom sha long kimlong aware tiki nong kendong jingi bopli ngamong hani asol ngamtip dan ri hanong kendong bubun bopli la kabela la kamsi kamduk tajongki baman kasi be but masuk na bong la de kata rik banlek na kata kamare kulit sia mare tang nakadaw banyo lese kumno yo ya kata kampulit kim poi khat ya kata ri kum uchi minister haba ya kum kini kirali kum mala mencon ba Charles menen kum menen hapo marang mitu itau su kai ka tu ka jingji ang tu ka jingsanya no ang tu menen chief minister ba tu minister balai akwa le pi yang ta jong banyo shondur ang tu ka jing ya pendat ka jing ya pentinyan ang tu ya kawan yu iban yo ka jaka kham don ka sentar ban yo ban pensyak ba ya kadur joki ba pe pa ba katu menen kayu bon ong ka jingsan yu kum katu chief minister ki he sokar menen kim don jingsan jo ya de menen tebalai tang ya ki khna ba pli bawa kam pulit ki habat ong man nakam ta jingsan masuk mon kam de kata ka jing ong jung chief minister ba nang ta jingsan ka jingsan le ngano ki ka kamare le ayu kini ya tungku ba kiwe la ka jong bat habar don hapo ka jaka ba kita nang turu ka jaka ka ba kluy ba umdi ka ba khamnya kumbalong min hapo mera la di memperkat ka police department ba home minister ade ban singkia lo tani ade ban ailat ikisna ki ba nang no nuru di ban ailat bet la kham don vaksin ne don vaksin ara don test report ne don test report di ban ailat kani kiti kapat ujunga
Tang hapo khasan kenca baki pulit jong ke bernihan ki layo ban kurum ya ka we ka swift ka bakit ganja na ka tollgate plaza arpumer kata ka step Henreu saupusan jong ka shipau tarik unai weng arpuwei haka por min med kumba kendai shitengi ki pulit ke layo jingtim ba ki ladon ki brio ki bala bread ya ki song ke ba i subas new harut jong ka surok ba haka klau badon hakat nyomer Halol kini ke jingyo jingtim ki pulit jong ke bernihan harangkat ki sipai jong ki lalit syakati ke jaka bat penlongnya ke jing talasi hakati ke surok ba bat habala poi hakat nyomer shua ban poi ha bernihan ki layo i ke jing song hakarong kete hakalau bniap bat haba kila kenra kila shem ya kilai punya utli ki song bat la shem ba kini baru ki dei ki song ganja la suba ba kiti ki song ki dei balat pu ban shalan syakitan ba marjan ne shabar jong ke jilla Kejingkia jeng uteu ganja, kalong kumba lai spa lai pesan kilo, hanya spa gram AA.
Oh, dozen aja na? Dozen है witness लोग. Oh, बा. आलू तेरा मदद करो. ये तो सामान जो लिया. वो witness को बुलाओ हाँ. इधर में भी है. ओए बा. बुलाओ. इधर में भी है. देखिएगा वो. 1 2 3 4.
Ubak Charles Marngar MDC Kamawati, ulapan pau ke jing sengukya halor ki kendon COVID kat kendai, baka sorkar kelabu, dak baong baka terikam tang haki mane, kat bah haki program sorkar, kamdon kano ke jing perking, haba keren syakilat petai kubor mentakas ngipalai, ubak Charles ulaong, bah haki jing alap election, omdon setia ke jimbut perking ki kendon COVID kat kendai, kata ban penia jingai iwe na iwe pat, bar ulapan pau ru kamtam, haka jing pli ke distrik Thamai ke Sengibalang, ka Eastern West Hills District ki pajba ki tuj de ki hajar ngut klemte kendon satia katba ki mane bleipat la perking kumta une UMDC ukan tuj ka sarkar bakan syong perkat no ban weng no kini ki kendon ko bet khat khandai ban ailat no ki pajba kumba julong barabor
along ha kubaide baki SOPs ki protocols ki baka sarkar kelabu ya kene ngalaye kren na ka porch ko po bak ngaban se ban mi biang sakman agani kesngi ban keren ia kene ke jing shisha kababaro ki pai ba nong snong ki sakhi ki yo i tala ke jong ki kman kabalaja ke kabalaja ki kesngi kumbangi ete para kadon ke SOPs lane ki protocols ki kendon ki ba sarkar kalabu ba anom sha ban yalum pai ba nakadaw jong ne ka klam coronavirus lane COVID-19 Hakani ke election ke badang sudah ngaru kadon go ke meeting ke bangalai apa DC office but kila ai ke jing batai ke bebon bah badai ban maintain ban bot nanti ya ki protocol la negi kendan but ko ni ki kendan kalong bah ke for election buat ban one file nomination scrutiny ke syak tang lightly ki kali tak de go ke ba anu ta ban rung ha ke kamera ban file nomination scrutiny ru syak apalat laingot candidate election agent bat pridar jongki tendai ngi ba kini baro la pen kamdan kano action but kamdai tangata ngiru ngidai ki bami ahmad iya gani election kamtam gani by election kawai ka ba perlong yang abangan mi ban kran ngiyo iya ke jingi procession ke jingi ya ki kali but kamtam ki public meeting lani ki rally ki perlong ke jing bon breu ka bala isir khai ke jing shat ki breu de ki hajar mut ka bala isir khai but hagasngi ka ba celebrate ki candidate ki ba job ro kalong kumjo kejing yaki kali ki bopon kejing shat aki rally mdon kono ke kendan hang tu laya nyomlot bat kam ko tangata rei menen kesngi haga jingpli ya ka mairang district ya ka mairang subdivision ban kintiu no saga district menen kesngi la pli ya ka ban ngi iyo crowd yo pai ba kan no lakat kejing seng sinat ka bahe kejing lombon breu haga bau chief minister wan ban pli ke district ke batmai tika perlong yang abangan wan madaga sengi ban keran balai kat ba ki ying mane jongi pade ngiyo i ba idang habut ye kita ki protocols ngi hab deng ngi ki mas ngi hab shong jangai ni we pat social distancing tikani kalong ke basusi ngiyo i ke jing mi pat ba jongi long hikai hoi bapli ki haban mi namar ka deka ka hok ka dawai ki ka kam ka dawai ki bikin mi madam tindai ki mamut ban on ni ya kerpat ye ka sorka banado mentasngi nanela shai ka sngi immediately ka sorkar ka haban shong no ban weng no mardor yakini ki SOP beri ban weng no mardor kombalong menta kejingkeli hang ne kalong ba balai tang yin mane balai tang hai jaga mane balai kila ban nom dei ki kristan ro ki ki jat mane balai indang perking hai jaga mane balai kat ba haki jaga yalap election haki rally election bade mdan SOP mdan protocol show bat nganot ban ong hagi kesngi bahanga hi marwai shimat ngan priang show bat lada ki balang kristan kata te shong hagi jing start ke jongki namar ba ngiyo i ke jing le silyang kamat jong kani ke sarkar ngalah ban ong silyang kamat namar bale namar ba haki wei meeting pai ba mdan protocol mdan SOP mdan jingkang mdan action ngerai kat pa ki yeng mane ke jong i pade ngidang haban board renti yaki protocol te kata ka dei gawai ke bang kwa ban kran hagi kesngi ban agerpa di ke sarkar bade ban weng no mardor ai kan long normal no kumba julo ndai show bandan gini ki SOP ki protocols yeng mane kin long kumba julong jingi seng district kindan jingi seng presbytery kindan jingi seng synod kindan ka procession kanya jong ka balang catholic ke jongi bat ki wei ro ki jingi seng ki wei ki balang ro ki badan ki jingi seng ki bahe nang ne shakmat ni ngaso bonong ba ka sarkar kam de show ba kala de ban pelong normal kumba julong kata ka de ka banga kwa akni ka pon ban ngashim lengba jong phi ki lap pathai ku bor ban kerpat sya ka sarkar ba ka de ban plino mardor ban weng no i ki SOP i mlak ban pen bori no mlak ban pen bori no hindai ki babon hi ki balang thu pi ki kristan jongi bat ki lakalong hakano kano ka jai balang ki dei ki badan ka discipline bat ki dei ki breu ila banom ka dei ki jaka ka bakenjam se mo ka balang kristan ka dei ki jingikai bakenjam se ka bihikai ban buram yeno tilada ka sarkar hi kadang dan kita ki SOP te ki balang ki badan ka discipline ki haban bur nanti tengi ina mar kata apa kelade ke kamram jong ka sarkar ban weng no
kajingyo jong ka sarkar Assam ban play ye ka stadium ha umla per ka shnong ka bodon ha kajingye ka japut bat ka Meghalaya kala penlong yo MDC ka Congress na Mauhati uba Charles Marngar ban penpau ye kajing bitar ka bujur habai kren bat kilat pathai khubor uteu MDC ulaong ba kani kajingyo lat jong ka sarkar Assam ban play ye ka stadium ha kani ka sngi ka pen i ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala shusha ban le kat ba mon
kidan kinong song snong jong ka snong umla per jong ka raj nong tung ka bahap apo ka block tu ka bahap apo ka disputed ban ngalayo ka jing tip manem step ba nakaliang jong ka sarkar Assam kila inaugurate kila lumbreu ban plino ya ka stadium ka ba kila shna bros kata de kalong ke ai ke basungsi habang ayo jingtip bakadon kum kata bat marmari nakaliang ka jonga ngala kontak you chief minister Conrad Sangma tenrenga klemyo ban ya kran nang ba ka phone namar ba uklam pick up ya ka phone Hadin si pangar pang ala persang bon kontak yo deputy chief minister ba preston tensong ban yo thu alor gani ke jingja ban ngalaya kren ru bad I deputy commissioner jongka Ribhoi district ikong RM kurba bada ke jingi kren bad I mairu ilay thu shai ba kaladon ke jingi kren hapadeng jong I bad ka deputy commissioner jongka Hamran West Karbi Anglong haka arpen riutrik jong benai Agos jong kani kesnem Hadin ketu gejing ya kaja hang tehom laper. Bat kabasungsi kalong ba ka sarkar Assam kaile persya ya gejing ikut ya gejing kran. Kadon ka discussion gejing kran hapadeng jong EDC jong I Naribhoi. Bat EDC jong ka West Karbi Anglong ka arpen riutrik. Bat hakata gejing kran nakaliang jong ka DC jong ka West Karbi Anglong Hamran. Kala mention clearly kala ong ba we should not take any developmental works lane ban keep maintain status quo kata gede ke jingkren ke jong ka DC na po West Karbi Anglong rei ga basungsi bade kalong ba ngilayo jing tip ngala kali susu manam step ba kini ke fencing ya kata ka stadium hang te hom laper kadon ke jing pentrei ya kini ka fencing ru hakini ki singi peladap bat mendag singi kila ada ban pli ya kini ke stadium da UMP jong ka Karbi Anglong. Tengah penpau gajing persyajur ba gajing condemn ya ka sarkar Assam. Balai kambat ya ke ai ke balai kran. Balai se kani kala banlong namar gajing syajem palat jong ka sarkar gajong I. Ka perlong ya ka sarkar Assam baganot ba bantur syakman wadadin balade banyakut. Bat ka basungsi kalong ba kinong songsnong jong I jong ka snong hang te hom laper. Kipen pau gajing sodiau ka bakraw namar balay namar ba iladap ban yekran kidon gajing sorem gum kinong songsnong habladon gajing yukut ba ya ki developmental works ya manta support on sange shwa kat badang ya gajing yekran ban penbet ya uput usam tadin gajing yekran mane bat iba prustun tensong deputy chief minister jongi la ong ba to ngan persang ban yekran ya kene gekam ngan ya keren ya gini kekam dengan tip kumno kaya jendrai ya ke city ngalada ban tho mane show chief minister Conrad Sangma ban penpau ban intervene ya kene ke jingja mane ke singi tina kaliang ga jonga ngawan khnang hang ni lengba jong phi ki parlok ban kerpat ya ke sarkar ngiu I ya ke jinglong jablo ke jing sim sting ke jing bom sim khia jong ke sarkar ga jongi kat adu ba ke sarkar Assam kayo ban wat ban inaugurate ya kene ke stadium kalong ke ai ke basungsi te komunong me khman jong ka mau hati konsumsi ka bahab ban pej ban khmi ru ya kene ke blok tu kene ke snong laper ngapan pau ke jing sosi ke bakraw ngapan pau ke jing sodiau bat ke jing bitaru babalai kene ke sarkar Assam kale don bor hadu kane kapan perkhat ya nga le se hatodon ke ai shalandat habada ke lang kinong yalam ki jongi ki badan ha state government ke jongi ha ruling side ki mongi ai ki jingja kinangja na kawai ke singi kawai pat ha ka bagadon ke jingi kran ba maintain ye kata status quo bat kum balong mentale le ngila e kran shai bat ka DC kala kran shai ba ngempat dai ban pentrikam ye gino ki skim kat ba mangipat nang nene magalia ngin ke tang uai upos elektrik rumlang Bat kumbolong mentah kadon ke JJM ke skim JJM ru. Kidon ki jaka ki bang ngisa pentot nang teh blok tu. Bat kiwai ki skim. Ngim yolat ban pentrai. Rekat baga Assam hadu ban inaugurate ru kayo alat. Di kalong ke ai ke bas ngusi bat lang bajong pi ngagar pat yu chief minister se chen pat nalor ke chi ke bang lato. So deputy chief minister ubade ban pej. Kumu bakli ya kene ke kam ban penbet yu put usam. Hakane ke jala ke jongi. Ba pi de ban ya kren mardor bat ke sarkar Assam. Bat ke sarkar Assam hi ya ke ai kepala dable kahapan pensyai kahapan mi syakmat ban yekran bat sakawai ru ngakwa bakini ki jingja kimdei banang jasu nang ne syakmat kat bangidang penbej ya put usam la dalong ha gani kurkam hi ngi yu iba ngi ngim sonot bansanya ya gani ke sarkar namar belai namar ba ke sarkar asam ke yurat ya se gade ke jing sajam jong ke sarkar jela ke jong kata gade ke banga kwa ban kran ha gani ke pon ba gade ke khubor se ke sarkar bakan shim gino ki step but immediately he kan yele ban shim ki steps ban kanom jasu kum kini ki jingja
Ka Kerteng Eastern West Khasiles District, kadai kabala dasyong perkhat bunsin, kamdai kabasyurai sisin syong. Bat kadai kabala shimru naka Kerteng jong ka district kami, kata ka West Khasiles District. Kumta sangi ano kaya heknia. Henry, ya kerano ikikam penroy hakani ka district. Ya kani lapan pau do menteri rangba ka jela, ukon rat sangma, haba kren haka jingalang pli, ya ka Eastern West Khasiles District, menta kasngi, haka jingalang kaba ipu iping bha hapdeng upai ba belin ubala poi diki hajar ngut uba met ba lengdo MLA Mairang ulong ba ka jingyo e ka district kamde ka jingla tang ka jung u ba jong ba broading ubre u MLA ka mau tharashan henry ka de ka jing trilang jong baro nadu ki sorashnong ki hima ki seng bhalang bat kinelam ki banadu mensyua hadu menta uba broading no sej ulong bahadin bo la job yang kumu MLA haus nem arja kat pra ulalum lang ki sorashnong kamotharashan constituency banyak keren yang kena jingketiu kerdan ya ka Mairang Civil Subdivision Syaka District.
Very happy heart that I have to tell you that West Khasiles District has been at the bottom for a very long time. And this has happened because of the fact that the development agendas and programs and schemes have not reached down to the grassroots. The delivery mechanism has not been able to deliver for whatever reason. I'm not here to debate that. But has not been able to deliver the development programs to the grassroots. And hence, it required an administrative intervention to ensure that we bring administration closer to the people. And that is by creating a new district. If you look at the different parameters that are there, just a simple example I'll give you of infrastructure. That in the whole of Eastern West Khasi Hills, there is only one police station. There is only one outpost in this huge 1,300 square kilometers of area. There is only one police station and only one outpost. That is the presence of the administration in this area. And that is why the need to improve the administrative reach, the need to ensure that we bring administration closer to the people was more so in West Khasi Hills than in most other regions of our state. This new district and be able to fulfill the aspirations of the people of this region. While saying that, I also want to tell the people of our state that this NDA government has always kept the people's issue as its top priority. Whenever there have been concerns that have been raised by the people of our state, whichever issue that has come up, not just during our term, but even before that, this MDA government has done its level best to address those concerns and issues, to take the step forward in trying to find a resolution to those issues. We have been a public-oriented and a public-centric and a government which is for the people of our state.
Chief Minister, it's my privilege to welcome you and to thank you also at the same time for accepting the invitation on my behalf, on behalf of the MLA of the Mauka Raishat constituency, and on behalf of the people of the Mairang Civil Solution, to be with us here in this gathering. A special day for each and every one of us. Thank you very much, Mr. Chief Minister, for your kindness and for your warm support to us, the people of the Mairang Civil Solution.
Of the government of Nigeria, our respected Speaker Sir, who is also a local MLA of Mairang constituency, Madam Chief Secretary and other officers present here on the dais. I thank each and every one of you for your presence for the inaugurates of the Eastern West Kasim District. I also thank the Deputy Commissioner of West Kasim District, the Sub-Divisional Officer of Civil Sub-Division Mairang, the other officer and all the participants in the program today who has worked tirelessly to make this occasion grand ones.
Kahima khairim kumba jule man la usnem menta usnem ru kalapan longi ke shat non krem ha ke rukom ke bopho bat shongkun bha harankat ki thei bat kirang kin sai ki belami madan ban shim menta ha ke tika shat niam ka bajutip baro kum ke shat non krem lapan pho shushu ya ke tika shat niam da ke jingwan sakhilang ki pai ba na ke leng ki benta jong ke jilla badwat na shabaro ha ke ni ke sngi na ke liang umitri rang ba aga jilla ukon ran ke sangma Hakasin ka banang kong ulalit ban sakhi yakati ka jingle niam kabalong hapalaw yeng jong ka yeng sat. Kashat nong krem kadi ka jingle niam ban ay ngo yaw nong tao bat nakabenta ka jingkerku ki bawla te say yaw ben reo habaro ki liang. Hakani ka jingle niam nalol ka shatan rai kala ru ka jingpom ya ki blang. Hakani ka sngi layo ru ya ka jing batay lengkot. Na usiem ka hima khairim upa em balajets em halor ka ni ka jingle niam na kaliang umintri rang ba haba kren ha ga sngi ulapan pau ye ga jingkemen ba uyo ban sakhilang ya ka te ga jingle niam bat kularu banaka sarkar kin mang kerpang na ka bentaban pen pho shushu ya ka te ga jingle niam nang ni shakmat.
Yes, on this occasion of Shat Nongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from Khasi Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I am here today to witness a very, very important ritual called Pomblang. And this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. and that's why after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Kairim and all the other organizers out here and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has.
Today we are celebrating the Nongkrem Dance. Tomorrow will be the final day, the 12th November. But today is a very, very important and auspicious day for us because we pay obeisance to God Almighty and also to the deity of Himachalong, Ulay Shillong. So we have done the rituals, we have done the sacrifice, and the dance is there now. Where along with what we have, we also have to follow some protocols because of the situation, the pandemic situation that still prevails. Though it has lessened quite a lot and protocols have been relaxed. So we look forward to God Almighty to bless us during our festival so that the coming months will see us have a clear, clean nature where the pandemic is done with ultimately, and we hope that God will bless us in bounty because we have suffered so much, the people have suffered much for the last 1 year, more than a year now, because of the restrictions and pandemic situation, and hopefully all this will go after this festival of ours, Nongkrem Dance.
Can you tell us?
Very positive and good signs prevail, and hopefully that the reality will come in the days to come. That all this is done with, and that we'll have better days ahead. The change is there. The change is palpable. The change is palpable. But still, when we have our own unique festival untampered with in its originality, so we see that it still attracts attention and attracts dancers, young people especially, which is a very positive sign for us. We are hopeful that this will continue, and with some amenities for the festival, we'll see that this will improve.
Jika tongi la poisya ka bakut jong ka tup kubor, kublai shibon ni pibaro, tak hadu begini sembiang, kublai shibon.